You may think you see who I really am, but you never knew me. Every day is a fifth, a play, a part. Now I see, if I were amazed, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Ooh, is that crazy, stirring strike back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in a world where I have to hide my heart and what I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and be loved for who I am. Ooh, is that car I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? There's a heart that must be free to fly, that burns without need to know the reason. What we think, how we feel, must there be a secret me and far to hide? I won't pretend that I'm someone else for all times. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who